What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I've been super busy at work, but I've got some updates to the channel and gonna make a couple videos about it. But today I've got 3 cord going out here. I've got a cord in the basket. The truck's got half a cord in it right now, so I think we're gonna load that up. But first, I've got a new piece of equipment to show. And I bought a pallet, well, number one, bought a forklift. Number two, I bought a pallet rotator for the forklift. And I know there's a channel out there, I think it's Oakwood Farms, he's out of the UK. He's got one of these, and I've actually been looking at them for a couple of years. I specifically bought this forklift because it had the extra circuit, so I still have side shift and I have the rotator. So what I had to do is I had to weld fork pockets to all of my baskets, so they all have fork pockets on them now. So I guess we'll load this up. It's a rainy day, but let me set the camera up and we'll see how good it works. So it actually works pretty good. Let me go deliver this and I'll be back to talk about the rotator. So I went to deliver that cord and it started downpouring, and I gotta bring him 2 more cords. So I was gonna hold off, but the first cord that I bought him, or the first cord that I brought him a couple of weeks ago, he hasn't even covered that, so that's still out in the rain. So I'm actually gonna load up these last 2 cords for him, deliver that, and then we'll go back to talking about the rotator. Hopefully the rain will calm down a little bit, because it's raining cats and dogs out there. So I'll take some more videos of the rotator real quick, and so you guys can see a little more of it in action, and then we'll go back to talking about it. So back to the forks. So this unit here is a class 3 fork rotator. It does 360 degrees continuous, so it'll just spin and spin and spin. So the guy who I bought it from was out of 48-inch forks, so I ended up getting 5-foot forks. And you can see these yellow strips here and there. They're painted 6-inch increments. So when I fork the pallet, you can see There's one there, and then there's one about, let's say 2/3 in. So I painted these so when I'm forking the pallet, when the pallet comes on, I know right here, so this first edge is 42 inches, and then it's 48 inches, and then 54, and then 60. So it's a way of me being able to fork into the pallet. I know if the edge of the pallet is right at this first line, I can rotate it, and it's another way of getting the whole pallet further out from the truck. Because if they were 48-inch forks or 42-inch forks, I would need the pallet right up against here, and then I would only have about a foot from the mast to the side of the truck. But now I can get close to 2 feet out from the edge of the truck, which works really good. So I've been making some, the blue ones are newer, but I put all fork pockets on all my baskets. I've got another couple of videos coming to the channel about stuff I've been working on. You can kind of see one in the background there. So that's the end of this one. If you guys enjoyed it, just leave a like, and see you in the next one.